كيف تكفرون وأنتم تتلى عليكم آيات الله وفيكم رسوله ومن يعتصم بالله فقد هدي إلى صراط مستقيم.
How can you disbelieve when you are the ones to whom the signs of Allah are recited, and when His messenger is in your midst? Whoever holds fast to Allah will certainly be guided to the straight way.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون.
Believers, fear Allah as He should be feared, and see that you do not die save in submission to Allah.
واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ كنتم أعداء فألف بين قلوبكم فأصبحتم بنعمته إخوانا وكنتم على شفا حفرة من النار فأنقذكم منها كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تهتدون.
Hold fast together to the cable of Allah and be not divided. Remember the blessing that Allah bestowed upon you. You were once enemies, then He brought your hearts together, so that through His blessing you became brothers. You stood on the brink of a pit of fire, and He delivered you from it. Thus Allah makes His signs clear to you, that you may be guided to the right way.
وَلْتَكُنْ مِنْكُمْ أُمَّةٌ يَدْعُونَ إِلَى الْخَيْرِ وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ وَأُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ.
And from amongst you there must be a party who will call people to all that is good, and will enjoin the doing of all that is right, and will forbid the doing of all that is wrong. It is they who will attain true success.
ولا تكونوا كالذين تفرقوا واختلفوا من بعد ما جاءهم البينات وأولئك لهم عذاب عظيم.
Do not be like those who fell into factions and became opposed to one another after clear signs had come to them. A mighty chastisement awaits them.
يوم تبيض وجوه وتسود وجوه فأما الذين اسودت وجوههم أكفرتم بعد إيمانكم فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون.
On the day when some faces will turn bright and other faces will turn dark, those whose faces have turned dark will be told, "Did you fall into unbelief after you had been blessed with belief? Taste then chastisement for your unbelief."
وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ ابْيَضَّتْ وُجُوهُهُمْ فَفِي رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ.
And those whose faces have turned bright, they will be in the mercy of Allah, and therein they shall abide.
تِلْكَ آيَاتُ اللَّهِ نَتْلُوهَا عَلَيْكَ بِالْحَقِّ وما الله يريد ظلما للعالمين.
These are the messages of Allah, which we recite to you in all truth, and Allah desires no wrong to the people of the world.
ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
To Allah belongs all that is in the heavens and the earth, and to Allah are all matters referred for decision.
كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله ولو آمن أهل الكتاب لكان خيرا لهم منهم المؤمنون وأكثرهم الفاسقون.
You are now the best nation brought forth for mankind. You enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong, and believe in Allah. Had the people of the book believed, it were better for them. Some of them are believers, but most of them are transgressors.
لن يضروكم إلا أذى وإن يقاتلوكم يولوكم الأدبار ثم لا ينصرون.
They will not be able to harm you except for a little hurt, and if they fight against you, they will turn their backs in flight, and then they will not be succored.
ضربت عليهم الذلة أينما ثقفوا إلا بحبل من الله وحبل من الناس وباءوا بغضب من الله وضربت عليهم المسكنة ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون الأنبياء بغير حق ذلك بما عصوا وكانوا يعتدون.
Wherever they were covered with ignominy, except when they were protected by either a covenant with Allah or a covenant with men. They are laden with the burden of Allah's wrath, and humiliation has been pitched upon them. All this because they rejected the signs of Allah and slew the prophets without right, and because they wantonly disobeyed and used to transgress.
ليسوا سواء من أهل الكتاب أمة قائمة يتلون آيات الله آناء الليل وهم يسجدون.
Yet all are not alike among the people of the book. There are upright people who recite the messages of Allah in the watches of the night and prostrate themselves in worship.
يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر ويأمرون بالمعروف وينهون عن المنكر ويسارعون في الخيرات وأولئك من الصالحين.
They believe in Allah and in the last day, and enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong, and hasten to excel each other in doing good. These are among the righteous.
وما يفعلوا من خير فلن يكفروه والله عليم بالمتقين.
Whatever good they do shall not go unappreciated. Allah fully knows those who are pious.
إن الذين كفروا لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا وأولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
As for those who denied the truth, neither their possessions nor their children will avail them against Allah. They are the people of the fire, and therein they shall abide.
مثل ما ينفقون في هذه الحياة الدنيا كمثل ريح فيها صر أصابت حرث قوم ظلموا أنفسهم فأهلكت وما ظلمهم الله ولكن أنفسهم يظلمون.
The example of what they spend in the life of this world is like that of a wind accompanied with frost, which smote the harvest of a people who wronged themselves and laid it to waste. It is not Allah who wronged them, rather it is they who wronged themselves.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا بطانة من دونكم لا يألونكم خبالا ودوا ما عنتم قد بدت البغضاء من أفواههم وما تخفي صدورهم أكبر قد بينا لكم الآيات إن كنتم تعقلون.
Believers, do not take for intimate friends those who are not of your kind. They spare nothing to ruin you. Indeed, they long for you to suffer. Their hatred is clearly manifest in what they say, and what their breasts conceal is even greater. Now we have made our messages clear to you, if only you can understand the danger of their intimacy.
ها أنتم أولئك تحبونهم ولا يحبونكم وتؤمنون بالكتاب كله وإذا لقوكم قالوا آمنا وإذا خلوا عضوا عليكم الأنامل من الغيظ قل موتوا بغيظكم إن الله عليم بذات الصدور.
Lo, it is you who love them, but they do not love you, even though you believe in the scriptures. When they meet you, they say, "We believe," but when they are by themselves, they bite their fingers in rage at you. Say, perish in your rage. Allah knows even what lies hidden in their breasts.
إن تمسسكم حسنة تسؤهم وإن تصبكم سيئة يفرحوا بها وإن تصبروا وتتقوا لا يضركم كيدهم شيئا إن الله بما يعملون محيط.
If anything good happens to you, they are grieved. If any misfortune befalls you, they rejoice. Yet if you remain steadfast and mindful of Allah, their designs will not cause you any harm. Allah surely encompasses all that they do.
وإذ غدوت من أهلك تبوئ المؤمنين مقاعد للقتال والله سميع عليم.
O Messenger, remind the Muslims of the occasion when you went forth from your home at early dawn to the battlefield of Uhud and placed the believers in battle arrays. Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
إذ هم الطائفتان منكم أن تفشلا والله وليهما وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
And recall when two groups from among you were inclined to flag, although Allah was their protector. It is in Allah that the believers should put their trust.
وَلَقَدْ نَصَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ بِبَدْرٍ وَأَنْتُمْ أَذِلَّةٌ فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَشْكُرُونَ.
For sure, Allah helped you at Badr when you were utterly weak. Beware then of Allah. Perhaps you will be thankful.
إذ تقول للمؤمنين ألن يكفيكم أن يمدكم ربكم ب3,000 من الملائكة منزلين.
And recall when you said to the believers, will it not suffice you that your Lord will aid you by sending down 3,000 angels?
بلى إن تصبروا وتتقوا ويأتوكم من فورهم هذا يمددكم ربكم ب5,000 من الملائكة مسومين.
If you are steadfast and mindful of God, even though the enemy should suddenly fall upon you, your Lord will help you with 5,000 marked angels.